For this workout, all you'll need is yourself and a mat. But if you don't have a mat, go ahead and grab a towel. Quick review. I'll show you what the exercise looks like and tell you how many reps. Feel free to pause the video, complete your reps, and then press play when you're ready for the next one. Let's do it. Okay, exercise 1. Let's just do a tap step with a plie in between, making sure we get those legs nice and warm, and don't cheat yourself on that plie in between. Get as low as you can, keeping that chest lifted. You're going to do this for 60 seconds. Exercise 2, you have a nice wide turned out second position, and we're going to take it nice and low, doing a pulsing plie with a relevé. So heels down, heels up, heels down, heels up. Keep that plie nice and low and do this for 60 seconds. For exercise 3, we're doing pulsing abductions, starting with the right leg. So keep your supporting leg soft, straighten out the right leg as much as you can, and just pulse, pulse, pulse. We're doing this for 60 seconds on the right leg, and then switching and doing 60 seconds on the left. For exercise 4, you want your feet together, your abdominals pulled in nice and tight, plie down, straighten, and then isolate your knees right and left. This is all about the core, so make sure you're pulling in nice and tight. One set of down, straighten, right, and left is going to be 1 rep, so do 1 set of 10. For exercise 5, we have a push-up position with your left knee down and your right leg extended. Always making sure to shift your weight over your palms for a push-up. You bend the knee as you come down, straighten the knee as you push up. So you're going to keep it nice and tight, flexing through that foot. 1 down and up is 1 rep. You're doing 10 to 15 on the right leg and then reversing it to the left. Okay, for this exercise 6, we're coming into a high plank position, stacking your shoulders over your wrists, avoiding locking out the elbows, trying to get your body in one straight line, and just hold it for 60 seconds. For exercise 7, you're coming back to a plank, but this time on your elbows right here. Step it back, squeezing your body nice and tight. You're taking your hips to the right, pulling center, left, pulling center. 1 set right and left is a rep, and you're going to try to do 1 set of 10. For exercise 8, have a seat, clasp your hands, lengthen your abdominals, and contract them in. You've got this 2 times, and then you have 4 knee lifts, pulling your elbows back. So let me show you 1 whole rep again. It's up, contract, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that's all 1 rep. You're going to try to do 10 total. Exercise 9, we're coming to a tabletop bridge position. I want you to take the right leg out, flex the foot. You have a tricep dip and extend. So it's down and up. You're doing 10 on the right leg, switch, do 10 on the left. All right, exercise 10, you're going to lie all the way down, take the legs above your hips, slight bend in your knees, and we're just pulsing those legs out for 60 seconds. Remember, you can do this another 2 times based on how much time you have to work out. Good luck.